what services should I expect from a good Amazon PPC agency? When it comes down to this, again, Amazon ads. So if they are providing you Amazon ad services, it should be Amazon ads related. It should be not catalog works, not design works, but first off, Amazon ads. Now, when it comes down to Amazon ads, you should be knowing that there are certain categories of knowledge when it comes down to this. For example, in Scale, I put it even whenever we are hiring for our marketing agency, it's going to be, is this a junior level? And junior level is going to be the one that you are creating SOPs for. You are going to train them. Maybe they have zero knowledge in Amazon ads. You are going to provide them lots of SOPs, and you are going to give them anything that is data entry thing. So anything that's not strategist. Second is going to be intermediate. So if this is a person who already understands how to do data entry already, they ran a few ads on accounts and they know how to manage it, they are going to be the next level. Then the third one is going to be a strategist. And why am I putting point on this one is because most of the time, whenever you're hiring someone, especially I'm seeing hierarchical brands, because that's also one thing, right? So they are going to look into how to pay as least as possible on your ads, and especially when they're coming to us, we are the strategist level. So we are helping them with more than just daily execution of bid management, campaign creation, and so on. We're helping them. If you want to launch this product, what is the next 5 steps that we can implement? What is going to happen is that if you are not receiving that type of strategist level, you are just going to get someone who's like a yes ma'am, or yes, okay, I can do this the way how you say and the way how you've done it beforehand and so on. So it's going to be really important for you whenever you're saying, what should I expect from a good Amazon PPC agency, is that, hey, does this person already, do they understand my industry, right? Do they understand my category? Do they understand what my goals are? And are they able to help me with those goals? Because your goals, if it's just bid management, trust me, you're going to hire an agency that is good for bid management. Probably they are not going to cost so much. You might be even considering a tool for that, only bid management. But if you're thinking for someone who is not only bid management, but also going to help with reporting and also going to make sure that based on that reporting on the new campaigns, can they also look at the next 5 steps to help me? And based on that, you will know your answer, right? So if they are able to do so, great. We would define anyone at any stage good. It's really at the stage that you are right now, which of these trees are going to be the most helpful for where you are. Because keep in mind that right now, not to bash someone who just started out ads, they don't know what they're doing. Yeah, I'm saying, yes, they might not have the same 6 years of experience that I have, but they might be brilliant at data entry and paying attention and detail-oriented and helping with bets and helping with all those stuff. So that's why I'm saying that when it comes down to good, you have to define good for yourself. Because otherwise, you are going to be having a hard time of choosing between too many service providers that are offering you different things. So again, is this a junior level agency that is helping me with basic stuff that is data entry? Great. Then they are a good fit when you define it right. Or is this someone who's a strategist and is going to be able to, maybe you want to scale to 10 million revenue, right? How do you do that? There you would need a strategist. And that is what good looks like. There, the junior level is not going to be any more good. Let me know if that helped, because I believe that's really important. And also I want to advocate for people who are just starting out their journey in Amazon ads. There can be really good people who are super cheap, to hire them, and they are going to be a great fit for your company. However, the good there that you're hiring them from probably might not be fitting with whatever strategies do you have, for your account or whatever you plan for your account. Maybe next year, if you want to grow your account to X, they're not going to be a good fit, even if they are good and skilled.